Ever felt that gut-wrenching dread when you're prepped for a VALORANT match only to be slapped with a connection error or endless loading screens? It's incredibly frustrating, isn't it? You've got your agents ready, your comms open, and then bam! You're disconnected from the action, leaving your team in abeyance and your competitive rank in jeopardy. We've all been there staring at a frozen screen while our teammates wonder what happened, feeling the frustration bubble up. It feels like the universe is conspiring against your clutch plays and present hit, stopping you dead in your tracks. But don't rage quit your entire setup just yet. In this video, we're diving deep into the most common causes of VALORANT server connection errors, and more importantly, providing you with actionable, easy-to-follow solutions. Get ready to banish those connection woes and get back to popping heads with stable, smooth gameplay. Before you start pulling your hair out or blaming your internet provider, the very first thing you should always check is Riot Games server status. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end at all. Head over to the official Riot Games server status page or their support Twitter account to see if there are any widespread server outages or maintenance happening in your region. This simple check can save you a lot of unnecessary troubleshooting if the issue is global. This might sound like a broken record, but seriously, a good old-fashioned power cycle can work wonders. Unplug your internet router and modem from the power outlet, wait for about 2 seconds, and then plug them back in. Once your internet is fully restored, restart your VALORANT game client and even your entire. This often clears up temporary network glitches and refreshes your connection to the game servers, giving you a fresh start. If a simple restart didn't cut it, it might be time to delve a little deeper into your network settings. Open your command prompt as an administrator and type in ipconfig flushes, then hit enter. After the type ipconfig released and then ipconfig renew to refresh your IP address. These commands can clear out old problematic entries and ensure your computer is getting a fresh, clean connection to the internet and VALORANT servers. Your computer's security software like Windows Defender or a third-party antivirus can sometimes mistakenly block VALORANT's connection. Make sure VALORANT and the Riot client are added to your firewall's exceptions list, or try temporarily disabling your antivirus to see if it makes a difference. Also, if you're using something that might be routing your connection through a server that's far from VALORANT's game servers, causing high ping or disconnections, so try disabling it.